Hello, hello, hello. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And this is the 12th day of Christmas. Yes, this is it, the final day. This is the 12th day of Christmas. Today is the Epiphany, which is the day, if you're a believer, this is the day that the wise men, the three wise men, they traveled for all these days and they finally got to see Jesus. It took them all this time to get to there, to get across the land to see Jesus. So that's what the whole 12 days of Christmas was all about. And so this is the final day. So we are all done with our 12 days of Christmas, and now Christmas season is officially over, and now we can take down our Christmas decorations. Okay, our tea. Funny thing, because of when I received my Christmas Advent and the timing of it, I ended up without a tea for today. So what I decided to do was show you guys one of my favorite teas that I already had. And this was it's not unusual, but it was a tea that I had not had before. And Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet had told me about this. And this is the Yorkshire tea, and this box is beat up from being shoved in and around the cupboards. But it's the Yorkshire tea biscuit tea. And it comes in just a regular plain tea bag. And I drop it in hot water, and I've got it already seeping. And it's a dark tea. Let's just check it out. It says, here's a miraculous tea that tastes like biscuits because when those two flavors combine, the resulting deliciousness creates a wave of happiness big enough to power an entire human being. I don't know about that, but it's pretty good tea. It's a magical mug of biscuity goodness that doesn't get crumbs on your jumper. It is from Yorkshire after all. It is black tea. And that's it, 100% black tea. So it's a nice dark tea. And this has 40 tea bags in it. And I ordered this from Amazon. And currently you can get it for $6.93 for this nice box of tea. Which I didn't think was bad at all. It's good. I love this tea. It's hot. I just brewed it up. I already know that I love this tea, so. And it kind of does have a taste of almost like a shortbread cookie, a really light cookie to it. But it's not sweet in the way that like an overly sweet tea would be. It's really just a very faint, sweet taste to it. I really like this. If I can figure it out, I will put this, I've got my link to Amazon down below. If I can figure out how, I will add that into my Amazon thing, my Amazon list. If I can figure out how, you guys know. And also, I will add my pretty purple cup with the built-in tea strainer, because I also got that from Amazon. If not, if I cannot figure out how, just click my link to Amazon and look this up. It's just, if you just put in biscuit tea, this is the only thing that comes up. So all you gotta look up is biscuit tea, and that will come up. And I will do my best to figure out how to add that link to it, because this stuff is really good. And there's another one, there's another tea also that is from the Yorkshire tea people that I also bought at the same time that I got the biscuit tea, and it is yummy. Oh, that's interesting. It's yummy as well, and it's called the toast and jam tea. And I got that at the same time, and it's really good too. I don't know what they say. It doesn't have a description really. Does it have a description? It says, we've squished the taste of jam on toast into an extra strong Yorkshire tea blend. It's a mighty morning brew with a lip-smacking smattering of toasty, jammy loveliness. That's all it says about it. It's really good, and I drink the two of them often, and it is also $6.96. So they're not expensive. $6.94. So like I said, it's not expensive, and they are quite delicious. Oh, it smells so good. It just has a lovely, lovely smell to it. And I really do enjoy getting them. A couple people say that it smells like strawberries and toast. I don't remember strawberry, but it is good. I do remember that. So anyway, if you want to try something different, that's a good, this one or the toast one, the jam and toast. They're fun. They're definitely fun teas. I really do like that one. So this is it. This is the last one of our tea videos. I've really enjoyed doing them. I'm not just saying that I'll never do anything like this again. Possibly we'll do an Advent next year. Someone suggested a coffee one, and I might get, if I get a hold of a coffee Advent, might do that next year. I will try to get one before the whole season starts. But there's so many of them throughout Christmas. Even if I had one that started at the beginning of Advent, I don't know that anybody would keep up with them, because there's just a million of them. Possibly something, maybe it's something we'll get a hold of and do in the fall when there's not a million people doing them. Although, having said that, I'm doing them here through the 12 days of Christmas. Nobody else is doing Advents now, and they're still getting lost in the shuffle. So I don't know. We'll see. I've had a wonderful time. I've loved this 10-ish minutes with you guys every day, just taking a few minutes and sitting and enjoying a cup of tea and visiting every day. And I hope that you guys are enjoying it as well. Thank you so very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.